Let's dive into a pretty surprising super plant for your skin and joints. What if a powerful solution was just floating in a pond all this time?
In the right lab setting, duckweed can be up to 45% pure protein. Wow.
And that massive protein content is its secret weapon for restoring your skin. The main protein, RuBisCO, forms a kind of invisible film to tighten and firm things up. Plus, it has natural humectants, which literally pull moisture into your skin.
And its amino acids act like the perfect building blocks to repair damage and make more collagen.
Okay, but what about joints? This is where it gets really interesting compared to, say, ibuprofen. Instead of just shutting things down, it sends in a natural repair crew to soothe your joints. And check this out. Scientific tests show it's surprisingly effective for mild arthritis pain. But, and this is a big but, there's a crucial catch to getting these benefits. See, it has to be clinically clean for those important proteins to actually work. Basically, the best way to get all the good stuff out is by using it totally fresh.
So let's walk through this simple 5-step method for making a fresh pulp mask.
But safety first, right? Always do a little patch test before you go all in. And this simple method means you get all the pure benefits without any added irritants.
It really makes you wonder what other amazing remedies are hiding right under our noses.